can show the testing of EB1200 shortwave power amplifier with the heat pipes cooling system and the MRF1K50H LDMOS transistor inside. It is equipped with a touchscreen LCD. The drain voltage is supplied by flat pack 2, 53 volts with a couple of down rods, 50 ohms and 25. Power meter, a reference power meter is a bird 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, which means 2.5 kilowatt full scale. I will drive it with the ISO transceiver. The LPF band switching is being controlled by automatic carousel band decoder. Internal power meter is calibrated according to bird on 20 meters as we show. 1000 watts here, same is here. But amplifier is made for 70 up to 75 watts on input. Let me set it for 70 watts. Now I will show how it works. Starting from 160 meters, you will see output power and harmonics on spectrum analyzer. Okay, I'm starting. Next is 80. $14. 30. 20. 15. show how CW looks like. This is B. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I will show how protection system works. I will replace the 50 ohms dummy by 25 to represent the SWR 2 to 1. if I start to transmit, however, SWR protection is enabled. I have to switch off 50 volts power supply to reset it. But if I decrease the driving power to somewhere close to 30 watts, SSB, let me return to packet mode. It works with the lower power level with the highest WR, but if I add few watts on input, protection will be enabled. Okay, once again I reset the 50 volts and return to 50 ohms dummy. For example, on 80 meters, if I forget to decrease the power to 70 watts and will drive to higher power level, high current protection will be enabled. On other bands it would be high power. For example, somewhere on higher bands, say here on 15, power is set to 90 watts. I'm trying to drive, high power protection is enabled. Well, once again we reset to 50 volts, return to say 70 watts. It's okay. Well.